Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Creme, and today we are going to be talking about the Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream. If you are a Curls Monthly subscriber, you know that the Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream was in your November 2022 Curls Monthly mailer. Welcome, so happy to have you here. We're gonna talk about who it's great for, who should maybe be a little bit careful with it, exactly how to use it, because there's lots of different ways you wanna use it, and we're gonna go through the ingredients a little bit so you can understand the method to the madness. If you are not a Curls Monthly subscriber, I will put a link below for that. Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of my favorite curly hair products in mini sizes for $17 so you can try them out at home before you commit to buying the full size. I'm super excited to talk about the Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream. This is Eden Body Works' absolute best-selling product. In fact, it's sold out on their website right now, hence why in the Curls Monthly mailer I linked it to Sally Beauty. I actually originally found this product inside of a Sally Beauty, bought it, used it, loved it. You get the picture. This is a medium hold styler that will not leave you with any crunch whatsoever. So if you're a sensitive to that texture person, this is definitely great for you. It's great for definition. It's gonna help protect against moisture loss. And there is some protein in it, so it's also gonna help with damaged hair, and it should not leave you with any bit of flakiness on your scalp. I would say that this product is going to be best for medium to thick type of textures. Definitely fine for all curl types. Again, I think this is really meant for more curlier curl types. Not that wavy people cannot try it and use it, especially if you have thick waves. It's also great for hair that needs just a little bit of protein on a wash day, and just really great for moisture hungry hair because there is a lot of moisture in here. I would say people with more fine hair should be careful using this. If you do use this, definitely be very cautious about how much you use. A little goes a long way with this guy. Wavy hair, like I said, maybe should be a little bit careful with it because it might weigh your hair down if you use too much. Low density folks may also want to be careful with it. And obviously as well, if you have any coconut sensitivities, because coconut is the second thing on the ingredient list after water, and it smells like coconut. So how are we going to use this product? You can definitely use this product as you would any type of normal curl cream, but I am going to give you a few examples specifically of how you can use it. One way that you can use a curl cream is as a single styler, wash and go, a very easy wash day. What I would do with this is apply it to very wet hair. You can actually even take it in the shower with you if you would like, and just apply it after your conditioner. What I would do is rinse your conditioner out, scoop some of the Eden curl cream, and then I would just kind of rake that through my mids and my ends. Then I would take a brush and then I would brush that through my hair, and then just in the shower scrunch it. That's like a very easy routine for all curl types. For waves, that routine is gonna make your hair very nice big thick waves. For curls, it's gonna make your curly hair a little bit less curly. It's gonna give you a little bit more of a wave, of a defined, less voluminous wave. I also use this, which is my favorite way to use this, as kind of like a leave-in conditioner, or if you're doing my CGO method, you would use this as the C step. My CGO method, if you're not familiar, is just using products in the order of creams, gels, then oils. So this could be the cream part of the C step. You could use this as well as or in place of a leave-in conditioner. Again, on soaking wet hair, I would brush that through, then maybe scrunch in some gel or some mousse afterwards, and then follow up with an oil when your hair is completely dry. I also posted a bunch of TikToks last month of me using this as a refreshing product. I think it's a fantastic refreshing product. So on next day hair, when your hair is like maybe tangly in the back, I really love, like I get tangles a lot back here, so you can take that big clump, spray it down with some water, take like a little bit of the Eden Body Works cream and rake that in, brush it through, and then finger coil your hair. And that's going to give you a nice little bounce back. It's going to dry really fast because it's just a cream. It's going to give you that moisture that you need, and it's going to prevent from more tangles and breakage happening. Another way you can use it as a refreshing product is to simply just take like maybe a quarter size, depending on how much hair you have on your hand, dilute it with some water, and then you can just kind of like very gently, maybe praying hands, and scrunch that into your hair. I love doing that with this cream. If you have wavier hair, I would even say that this cream would be a fantastic thing to use with like the bowl method. I'm not like a huge bowl method person, but if you wanted to do the bowl method, I think that this would be a really good solution for that. Now looking a little bit at the ingredients, because these ingredients are thick which some people need. First ingredient is water. Second ingredient is coconut oil, which is fantastic for moisturization. We have vegetable oil, which conditions hair. Aloe vera leaf juice, which is so good for moisturization. Again, so you can see a lot of moisture here, and aloe vera is also great for your scalp and anti-inflammatory properties. Then we have the alcohols. We have cetyl alcohol and stearyl alcohol. Both of those are so great for bringing in more moisture to your hair. Then we have cetyl esters, which are derived from palm oil, which also bring moisturization to your hair. Lots of moisture. Then we have glyceryl delurate. Probably pronounced that wrong, but that does smooth your hair. Coconut milk moisturizes your hair. Jojoba oil nourishes your hair. Meadow foam seed oil, which is one of my favorite hair ingredients of all time. It's really great for helping manage tangles, which again, probably why I love it so much for a refresh product. Then the tomato fruit extract enhances your curls definition. That's definitely the hero ingredient in here for that nice curl definition. Rice extract is kind of a protein and helps repair damage. Then we have keratin amino acids and silk proteins as your actual proteins that will give you that nice shiny bounce, and that does provide a little bit more nourishment for people who need the proteins to their hair. If you are a Curls Monthly subscriber, let me know how you like this product below. Super curious to hear your thoughts. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to like this video if it helped you at all. And if you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, I will link below a link to sign up for that, and I will see you next time.